Tomorrow, in the heart of the championship,
United.
two teams are set to clash in what could be a season-defining match. United, fighting to stay clear of the relegation zone, and Blackburn Rovers, on the hunt for a playoff spot. But here's the kicker. Oxford has never beaten Blackburn in their last 4 meetings. Will this be the match where the underdogs finally break the curse, or will Blackburn Rovers prove why they're one of the top teams in the league? You won't want to miss this one. First up, let's take a look at Oxford United. They've been solid at home this season, winning 6 of their 13 games at the Cashcow Stadium. They've got some real fight, but overall, their form has been inconsistent with 7 wins, 8 draws, and 11 losses. So how do they stack up against a team like Blackburn Rovers? Well, Oxford has struggled against the higher-ranked teams this season, and tomorrow's game won't be any easier. Now let's talk about Blackburn Rovers. They've been strong, especially on the road. With 4 away wins, 4 draws, and 4 losses, they've proven they can pick up points outside of Ewood Park. With 12 wins and 6 draws overall, they are sitting in a solid 5th place right now and pushing for promotion. Blackburn has been in excellent form, and their attacking prowess is something Oxford will need to be wary of. But here's the kicker. Blackburn Rovers has a pretty dominant head-to-head record against Oxford United. The last 4 meetings have all gone in favor of Blackburn, with Oxford failing to win a single match. In fact, in those 4 games, Blackburn has won all 4, scoring 11 goals and conceding only 4. They have been utterly dominant. The most recent of these encounters was back in August 2024, where Blackburn secured a comfortable win against Oxford. Prior to that, they also beat Oxford in 2018, and even in 2017, Blackburn got the better of them. That's 3 wins in a row in the past meetings between these two teams. So what does this all mean for tomorrow's match? Well, Blackburn comes into this game as the clear favorite. They've been in better form, have a stronger squad, and have been able to break down teams like Oxford in the past. But don't count Oxford out completely. They've got some key players who can cause problems, like Mark Harris, who's been their top scorer this season. If Oxford can play to their strengths and take advantage of their home crowd, they could still spring a surprise. Let's talk about some key players to watch in this match. For Blackburn Rovers, keep an eye on Yuki Ohashi. He's been in top form this season and will be a constant threat up front. Also, Sammy Smodics, who has been setting up goals for his teammates, will be crucial in breaking down Oxford's defense. As for Oxford United, Mark Harris will be key. If he can find the back of the net, he'll be Oxford's best chance of getting something out of this game. But can he break down Blackburn's defense, which has kept 11 clean sheets this season? That remains to be seen. Looking at both teams' recent form and the head-to-head stats, Blackburn Rovers is the favorite to win tomorrow's match. They've been more consistent, have a stronger squad, and have dominated Oxford in their past meetings. But hey, this is football, and anything can happen. Oxford will have the advantage of home support, and if they can get an early goal, the pressure will be on Blackburn to respond. I'm predicting a Blackburn Rovers win, with a scoreline of 2-1. I think Oxford will give a strong fight, but in the end, Blackburn's quality will shine through. That's our prediction. Blackburn Rovers to win 2-1. What do you think? Can Oxford pull off an upset, or will Blackburn continue their dominant run? Drop your predictions in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. All right, folks. That's it for today's match preview and prediction. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more match previews, reviews, and predictions for all the big games in the championship and beyond. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching and enjoy the match tomorrow. Cheers!